Welcome to our DIY tutorial on creating a beautiful, decorative photo frame from cardboard. This project is perfect for anyone looking to upcycle materials and add a personal touch to their home decor. Let's get started. Materials needed: cardboard, from old boxes or packaging, scissors or a craft knife, ruler, pencil, hot glue gun and glue sticks, decorative materials, paint, fabric, washi tape, buttons, etc. Photo or artwork to frame. Step-by-step instructions. Prepare the cardboard. Measure and cut 2 pieces of cardboard to the desired size of your photo frame. One piece will be the front frame, and the other will be the backing. Cut out a rectangular window in the front frame piece, slightly smaller than your photo. 2. Decorate the frame. Paint or cover the front frame piece with fabric, washi tape, or any decorative materials you like. Get creative. You can even add buttons, beads, or other embellishments. Allow the decorations to dry completely if using paint or glue. 3. Assemble the frame. Place your photo or artwork on the backing piece of cardboard. Apply hot glue around the edges of the backing piece and carefully press the front frame piece on top, ensuring the photo is centered in the window. 4. Add a stand or hanging option. For a standing frame, cut a small triangular piece of cardboard and glue it to the back of the frame as a stand. For a hanging frame, attach a piece of string or ribbon to the top of the frame using hot glue. Optional variations. Shadow box frame. Create a deeper frame by adding strips of cardboard around the edges to create a shadow box effect. Optional variations. Collage frame. Use multiple small pieces of cardboard to create a collage-style frame with different sections for photos or artwork. Optional variations. Themed frame. Decorate the frame according to a specific theme, such as holidays, seasons, or special events. Thank you for joining us in this creative upcycling project. We hope you enjoyed making your own decorative photo frame from cardboard. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments below and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Happy crafting!